Hey everyone, Jason Weckerle here with my buddy Busy, Brian. We're gonna go out and hopefully stick some muskies today. Never know, it's muskie fishing. We'll try our best, make it happen. This guy's put me on some good fish.
Water temperature 39 now.
Yep, water temperature's 39. Let's do this shit. All right. I'll start with him. All right, casting the Bulldog. Me and my buddy Brian are just sticking it out. It's cold out today, and hopefully something happens. I had about a 32-inch muskie or pike look at my sucker back here earlier, but we haven't had any fish yet.
2 seconds later.
Oh, good job.
What's going on there? The bag wasn't going down. You know what I mean?
You got that on a bait too.
You didn't get him in the bag well or whatever?
Yeah, he was going nuts.
No, I just
there
got
you
him
go.
off.
Nice. On your lucky Medusa.
Ready?
I'm guessing 34.
Okay, I forgot it. I was already in the bag.
Oh,
32 and a half.
32 and a half, hey? Wow, he's a fat one for his size. Did he take off?
Yeah, fast.
Wow. Yeah, he was fired up. Nice job, buddy.
I was like talking about something, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh, fish.
Yep.
That might be a fish the way you
Yeah, that's a fish.
stuck in my foot. I think, the rope.
Oh.
You hit my head.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, oh man. I'm so sorry.
You hit my head.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Oh, oh man.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it was just the way, like, it just took off. I was like, he's got it.
Got it.
He definitely didn't get the sucker because that sucker swam under the boat.
Yeah.
That was a fish.
You think so?
Yeah, that wasn't me. I didn't touch your rod.
I thought you grabbed your rod and then bumped it.
No. And then it started pulling. Yeah, something like through this area. We've had all our bites so far. See, that sucker out there is swimming around. That bobber is swimming around funny right now too.
Yeah, I'm not putting the jump on the gun. No, that one's definitely not fish.
No?
This is in the deep. Yeah, it's just a weed.
I'm just checking, you know, because that started acting kind of funny for a second there again.
We had a lot of kind of odd sketch, but
Yeah, we still made it happen.
broken rod,
What an adventure. Right?
broken one.
Catching your hat. Can't forget that. All right. Well, we've had some mild sucker action. A lot of pickups and drops, but just hasn't been happening yet on the suckers. My buddy got that nice one on a Medusa, black and yellow. But I'm gonna try this squirrely burt that I weighted with pencil lead sinkers, kind of make it suspend more, because this sucker did not get down before it had weight on it. Now it's gonna get down and hopefully have a muskie on the end of it in a few seconds here. It's always good to dream. Here we go. He's getting screwed with. This orange bobber back here just got screwed with.
Yeah.
Hopefully he takes it again. Dude, it's like, I don't know if I should check this sucker right here or what. That bobber definitely went down. This thing's set pretty shallow. It shouldn't have been stuck in a weed.
Well, the weed sometimes come up 3 foot.
Oh, really? Over here, eh? I didn't think that because we were in 8 feet of water. Oh, here we go. That thing started going nuts. You always gotta wonder when they start taking off like that. Look at this. That's a smaller sucker, so he's acting kind of funny. Hey.
Is it a visitor?
I hope so.
Move that rod in case. Oh, I guess that might be a fish. But it's acting weird like a fish.
You want me to move this rod? This one?
No, nah.
No?
Unless you just let it go.
That did take it pretty hard, but...
Yeah, it was a weed.
Weed?
I can feel it like pop out of the weed, you know?
That sucks. Well, my buddy Brian got lucky and bagged himself a Medusa muskie. A beautiful 33-incher, I believe.
Yeah.
About 33. I had a muskie look at a sucker on the surface. It chased it to the surface earlier today. And I lost a muskie that grabbed my sucker. And when I set the hook, I ended up catching my buddy's hat. Pretty interesting memory, you know, things like that happen, but...
No 50s today.
Yeah, no 50s today. But this is the badass boat we're fishing out of. My buddy Brian knows how to get it done. He is a hardcore fisherman like myself, and we've known each other for probably about 12 to 14 years now. Been fishing trout, salmon, muskies, all that good stuff for a long time. But video's not over yet. We may do some walleye fishing on the way home, so stay tuned. Well, we decided to stop off at the Rock River. It's been a tough day of fishing overall. We got one muskie, missed a couple muskies, but now we're walleye fishing for a couple hours, or as long as we can last. We're pretty tired and sore, but let's see if we can catch a couple fish before the night's over. Let's do this. Alright, I'm gonna start out with a Kitech Swing Impact. I kinda like this mineral color. The river is really shallow, so I went with a 1/16 ounce jig head. And my wife is throwing a pulser. Hopefully there's a couple fish around tonight. Alright, now I'm switching to the pulser. My wife just caught a little walleye that I forgot to press record for. So 5 minutes into the trip, she got one on a pulser. Now I shall get one on a pulser. A slow day of fishing, but if you guys like this video, subscribe to my page, hit the like button. Take care.